Hello everyone, I'm Himani, a travel content creator and a micro entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be making an invitation card for my housewarming party on Adobe Express. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Now let's start it with creating a new project. Select a size for a card and let's try and search for a template with this prompt. Invitation card for housewarming party. Okay, we have multiple templates. Wow. Not only this, it has a big library for every occasion, be it a baby shower, Christmas Eve, or any invitation card. Anyone can easily design and make invitation cards online. By the way, I love this one already. It has a really nice vibe to it. But I want something chic and classic, so let's check some other options as well. I will generate my own custom templates by selecting a size, writing a little brief about it, what I exactly want. And the brief can be anything. Being a micro entrepreneur myself, I have used it a lot of times in the past to create my business card and event invites. If you are a small business owner too, you can also create designs for your new office or shop or an event or even an offer that you want to run on your products or services. Not only that, you can even design product photo by just typing where exactly you want the product to be. In one click, you will get that frame. Great, I really like this one, especially the color of this card. So I will delete the default text. Then I'm gonna ungroup this design so that I can move it to the top. Now let's add the text and then I will generate a text effect by clicking on this. Look at this, already looking so good. Now I will add all the invite details. Last thing is this bottom space which is looking quite empty, so I'm going to take a shape and add it here like this. I'll just pick this eyedropper and choose the color to get the exact color as per the theme. Similarly, I'm taking another shape and trying to make it look like a window and place it here at the right. I will arrange all the layers once again and we have the card ready. Now I will download this as a PDF print format, so I can take this print out or I can send it in a PDF format to my guests. Yeah. So yes, that's how I designed an invitation card online using Adobe Express. So try Adobe Express now. Website link is in the caption below. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.